Hello everyone. Today we have 24 kilowatts Nissan Leaf 2010 manufacturer's year. Why do we record this video? As you know, a few days ago we released a solution which allows you to add CarPlay and Android Auto to your 30 kilowatts Leaf. A lot of people asked, can we install it to 24 kilowatts? No. Only if your 24 kilowatts Leaf was produced in 2016 or 2017 years and it has the same navigation system as in 30 kilowatts. As you can see, this is not this case. We heard you, thought out and understood that we can help you. How we can help you? You can install a 30 kilowatts head unit with our help using our firmware and our connectors, and install it and get 30 kilowatts system. And as I think you understood, you can add CarPlay. So now we will show you how does it look. Let's start. Well, the work is done. Here you can see a 30 kilowatts head unit. It works, and it works perfectly. All the buttons work. The buttons on the steering wheel work too. Energy usage, and of course we added Android Auto and CarPlay. Well, it started. Everything that have to work is work. The navigation, settings, music, we can choose wallpaper, set. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like it and you're interested in, please contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.